Hello, welcome again. We are solving Journal Study Paper 2 of year 2020 of Civil Services exam, which is also called CSAT. Question number 47 is: a shop owner offers the following discount option of an article to a customer. One, successive discount of 10% and 20%, and then pay a service tax of 10%. Two, successive discount of 10% and 20% and 10%, and pay a service tax of 10%. 3, pay a service tax of 10% first and then successive discounts of 20% and 10%. Which one of the following is correct? Option A, one only is the best option for the customer. Option B, two only is the best option for the customer. Option C, three only is the best option for the customer. And option D, all the options are equally good or good for the customer. So from the first option, we have first discount as 10%. Suppose X is the mark price, and after first discount, the price will be at 0.9x. So 10% discount is there, and second the successive discount is 20%. So now on 0.9x, the 20% discount here, so it will be, so we will multiply by 0.8. So 0.9x into 0.8 will be a price after second successive discount. And as one has to pay the tax 10%, so the price now will be a 0.9x into 0.8 into 1.1 including tax. Okay, so this is the price after discount and tax in first case. In second case, the first discount is your 20% and then 10% and then tax of 10%. So here we will take 0.8x. Okay, and then here we will take here we will take 0.8x and then 0.9 and then 1.1. Okay, this is your 20% price after 20% discount, and this is the price after successive discount of 10%, and this is the price when the tax is also included. Similarly, in third case, first tax is there, so the price after tax only after only that will be 1.1x, and then there is 20% discount, so we multiply by 0.8, and after that there is successive 10% discount, so we multiply by 0.9. So this will be the price after successive discount and tax and successive discount. So this will come out as same. All these will be same. Multiplication of 0.9, 0.8, 1.1 and x. So answer is D. All the options are equally good for the customer.